Today we will discuss the famous book The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald. This story takes us to the 1920s, a time of jazz music, big parties, and fancy clothes in the United States. Hi, I'm Georgiana, and I'm back with a new episode. I'm here to help you speak English fluently. If you want to help me, share the podcast with your friends and family. That would mean a lot. Thanks. On my website, you can find the 5 secrets to speaking English and my premium courses. Before we start, get the transcript. Visit speakenglishpodcast.com/podcast. Okay, let's start. The Great Gatsby is about a rich and mysterious man named Jay Gatsby. He lives in a huge house and has big parties every weekend, but not many people know much about him. Nick Carraway, Gatsby's neighbor, who has just moved to the area, tells the story. Gatsby is in love with Daisy Buchanan, a woman he met before going to war. Daisy is married to Tom Buchanan, a wealthy but rude man. Gatsby believes he can make Daisy love him again, and he works very hard to impress her with his money and lifestyle. As the story continues, we see Gatsby's dream of being with Daisy. But this dream leads to problems like jealousy, sadness, and even tragedy. The book also introduces other characters, like Daisy's arrogant and controlling husband, Tom Buchanan, Jordan Baker, a professional golfer and Nick's friend, and Myrtle Wilson, a woman whose life becomes surprisingly connected to Gatsby's and Daisy's. Here are the themes of the book. Number 1. Dreams and reality. Gatsby dreams of being with Daisy, but sometimes our dreams don't match reality. This story shows what happens when we try to make dreams come true at any cost. Number 2. Love and hope. Gatsby loves Daisy and hopes for a future with her, but his love might not be as simple as it seems. Number 3. Money and society. The book discusses the differences between people born rich, like Tom and Daisy, and those who became rich later, like Gatsby. It also shows how money doesn't always bring happiness. Number 4. The past and the future. Gatsby wants to bring back the past, but life doesn't always let us go back. This story makes us think about how the past shapes our future. Did you know that The Great Gatsby has been turned into a movie several times? The most famous version is the 2013 film. The film shows the glamour and excitement of the 1920s with beautiful costumes, music, and settings. It also stays true to the story, showing the romance, dreams, and sadness of Gatsby's life. If you've never read the book, the movie is a great way to enjoy this classical story. Great! Let's continue with a mini story. I will tell you a short story By asking simple questions. I use this method in my premium courses because it's highly effective. First, I say a short sentence with facts. Then, I ask you questions. After each question, you answer. Then, I tell you the right answer. That's how we make the story. And if you want to improve your fluency much faster, check out my premium courses. Visit speakenglishpodcast.com/courses. You will find several levels. Okay, let's start. Jay Gatsby was a rich and mysterious man who lived in a big mansion and hosted grand parties every weekend. Was Gatsby poor? No, Gatsby was not poor. He was very rich. Did Gatsby live in a small house? No, Gatsby lived in a big mansion. Did Gatsby host quiet dinners? No. Gatsby hosted grand parties every weekend. Did people know a lot about Gatsby? No. People didn't know much about Gatsby. He was mysterious. Gatsby was in love with Daisy Buchanan, a married woman he had met before going to war. Was Gatsby single? Yes, Gatsby was single. He wasn't married. Who was Gatsby in love with? Daisy Buchanan. Gatsby was in love with Daisy Buchanan. Was Daisy single too? No, Daisy wasn't single. She was married. Did Gatsby meet Daisy after the war? No, he met Daisy before going to war. He believed that he could win Daisy back by showing her his wealth and the grand life he had built. What did Gatsby want to do? Forget Daisy? No, Gatsby didn't want to forget Daisy. He wanted to win her back. How did Gatsby try to win Daisy? By writing her letters? No, not by writing letters. He tried to impress her with his wealth and grand lifestyle. Why did Gatsby want to win Daisy back? Was it because he hated her? No. He didn't hate Daisy. He wanted to win her back because he was in love with her. But Daisy was married to Tom Buchanan, a proud and rude man who didn't treat her very well. Who was Daisy married to? Tom Buchanan. Daisy was married to Tom Buchanan. Was Tom kind and gentle? No, Tom was not kind or gentle. He was proud and rude. Did Tom treat Daisy well? No, Tom didn't treat Daisy very well. As the story went on, Gatsby and Daisy's love created problems for everyone. Gatsby's dream of being with Daisy led to jealousy, arguments, and even tragedy. Did everything go smoothly for Gatsby and Daisy? No, things did not go smoothly. Their love caused problems. What kind of problems did their love cause? Simple ones? No, not simple problems. Their love caused jealousy, arguments, and tragedy. What was Gatsby's dream? To be with Daisy. Gatsby's dream was to be with Daisy. Did Gatsby's dream bring happiness to everyone? No, Gatsby's dream didn't bring happiness. It led to tragedy. In the end, Gatsby's dream of love and wealth showed how chasing dreams can sometimes lead to disappointment and heartbreak. Did Gatsby's dream come true? No, his dream didn't fully come true. What did Gatsby's dream teach us? It taught us that chasing dreams can sometimes lead to disappointment and heartbreak. Was the ending happy or sad? Sad. The ending was sad. It was not a happy ending. Well, we're finished with our short practice. Answering many simple questions can improve your speaking, just like talking in real life. Today, you've tried a small part of this question and answer technique. Do you want to learn more? Get my premium courses. Visit speakenglishpodcast.com/courses. I'll be back next week. Bye-bye.
Did you enjoy today's episode? Get the transcript now at speakenglishpodcast.com.